So I don't know what the hell's going on. These people just ran a stop sign directly in front of me. There's the license plate, C over K, 49433. I had right of way. She ran the stop sign and I ended up into the back of her and hit her pretty damn hard, actually. She doesn't speak any English. Get over here. People are getting pissed because I can't move my car. My car won't run. So there's the stop sign she ran right there. She pulled out from Luther, ran that stop sign right in front of me. I was coming down 72nd right there, going northbound. She ran this stop sign, boom, I hit her right here and we stopped right there. We were able to move my car off out of the intersection, but I'd like to point out something here. The debris that goes all the way back from there. There's debris here. There's debris right there. There's debris going all the way back to the intersection back here where the stop sign is, where she pulled out. This is the intersection of Southeast. Well, it doesn't show up on the camera, but it's Southeast 72nd and Luther. And there's debris. There's some debris right there, all the way back to the intersection. She's trying to say that she was turning left up there. Well, if she was turning left up there, how is there debris in the intersection back here?
Is your battery almost dead?
All right, the police are here. Good evening.
Hello.
How's it going?
Going well. Are you one of the drivers?
I am.
Okay. Are you the front driver?
I am the one, yes, the focus up there.
Can you go get your vehicle information? I'll be up there with you in a minute.
Sure.
Okay. Is anybody injured?
No, nobody's injured, not that I'm aware of. I don't
Okay.
know, she had like 20 people in her van, so.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, go ahead and wait by your car. Get your information. I'll be with you in just a minute.
Thank you.
Are you the driver of this vehicle?
So you ran in the back of them, huh?
Well, so what she did, I was coming up 72nd. She didn't even stop at the stop sign. She just rounded the corner right in front of me. I slammed on the brakes and tried to swerve into the oncoming lane, but it's wet. I locked up and I got into the back corner of her. She's trying to say she was turning left here, but if you look, there's debris going all the way back to that intersection.
Does she have to stop? She has to stop.
There's a stop sign on Luther.
Right.
And she did not stop.
Okay.
And as soon as I hit her, I was kind of like in the middle of the road, and my engine just quit running.
Okay. Well, sit side here. You guys can sit in the car if you want.
Oh, it's fine. It's not that cold out.
Crap, that's a crowd.
Yeah, she had like 20 people in the car.
Oh, those were all in the car?
Yeah, I guess.
Are either one of you guys injured?
No,
All right. Do you have your driving information with you?
I do.
Cool. What's the phone number for you, sir?
503.
503. Were you wearing your seatbelt?
I was?
Okay. Airbags deploy?
Nope. I'm
Okay.
surprised, actually. It was a pretty hard impact.
Okay. Approximately how fast were you going?
30.
30. Okay. And then is your vehicle still drivable, or do you need a tow?
I believe I need a tow. As soon as I hit her, the engine quit running. I tried to
Okay.
start it 3 times.
All right. Would you like to order your own tow through your insurance, or would you like me to order one and then your insurance can handle it later?
I have AAA. I don't know. I'll take care of it.
Okay. Yeah. So if you'd like to order your own tow, you're more than welcome to.
Right.
And if you don't want to deal with it, then so.
No.
But can you briefly tell me what happened?
So I'm coming up 72nd.
Yep.
From all the way down there, and she pulls up to the stop sign. I don't even believe she stopped. She just rounded the corner right in front of me. I hit my brakes and locked them up. I was trying to kind of maneuver and swerve around her into the oncoming lane, and it's wet. I locked up, and I ended up getting into the back of her. I have dash cam video of the entire thing.
Okay. Do you have that available right now? Or?
No,
Okay.
it's on the camera, and I'm gonna have to put it on the computer before it's viewable.
Okay.
But if you look, there's debris going all the way back to the intersection.
Yeah.
She tried to say after the fact, about 20 minutes after the fact, oh, I was stopped here trying to turn left.
Yeah, that's what she told me.
And no, that's not what happened. There's debris all the way back to the intersection, all the way back to Luther.
All right. So she turned off of Luther on 72nd?
Yeah, she turned right off of Luther onto 72nd, right in front of me, and I got into the back corner of her.
Okay. And were you in the vehicle as well? No? You're just here for moral support?
Yeah.
I was actually on my way to pick him up. He lives 2 blocks down.
Oh, okay. So he's like, sweet, I'll come down and check it out. It's like a real life episode of Cops. Okay, and are you the registered? Oh yeah, you gave me all that.
Yes,
okay,
I am.
Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go work on a crash report. You can call a tow truck to get that on the way. So give me maybe 10 minutes. Hopefully I'll be back with you. So.
All right, thank you.
All right, you're very welcome.
Well, there it goes.